Chapter 3: Bright Lights and Colors. The students have practice for the play. Miss Thomas gives out parts for the play. Kara will be an actor. Dale and Gavin will work on lights and sound. Some of the backgrounds look different on stage. Some look bright, some look dark. They look different because of their colors. Light is made of the colors of the rainbow. Each color has a wave that is a different shape. Our eyes see the wave. Then our brain knows what color it is. Light waves hit an object. Some light waves reflect off the object. They bounce back to our eyes. Some light waves are absorbed. They are soaked up by the object. An apple is red. The apple absorbs all light waves but red. The red light waves bounce off of the apple. We see the red light waves. All light waves bounce off white things. So we see white. White is bright. It is made of all colors. We see a rainbow when white light hits water. All light waves are soaked up by black things. So we see black. Black things look darker. Light waves can bounce off things. They can be soaked up by things too. People see colors when light hits objects. Next, the class will learn about sound. Light is made of the blank of the rainbow, the reflect of the rainbow, the absorbs of a rainbow, the wave of a rainbow, or the colors of a rainbow. Light is made of the colors of the rainbow. Each color has a blank that is a different shape. Each color has a reflect, absorb, wave, or light. Wave. There are different waves are the colors. Some light waves blank off the object, reflect, absorb, wave, colors, or light. Some light waves reflect or absorb off of the object. It reflects off, so it shines off. The apple blank all light waves but red. Does it reflect all light waves or absorb? It absorbs everything but red. People see colors when blank hits objects. People see color when waves hit objects or light hit objects. Light.